Hello, welcome back. In this video we will learn about Skybox and train. So first of all, we will create a train or terrain, you can say. This train, you can say the main place where we will place our objects, game objects, and we will start creating our scene or game. So for creating a new train, we will right click in this hierarchy window, and we can also right click here, no problem. You can go to same area by this, or you can create here and then you can go to 3D object, whatever you like. Here I will create a new train, 3D object, and then this train. So now we'll find our train here, and by scrolling this middle mouse button we can zoom in and zoom out, and by panning this tool you can use, or by just clicking the middle mouse button and drag, you can you can place your move your train. So by pressing Alt, if you click on left mouse button and move, then you can rotate like this. So these are handy tools which you will use throughout the course. After this, you see the properties of this train in this inspector window, and here the most common thing of train is this properties window, this setting tab. In setting tab you can assign this train a specific width and length. For example, there is an area, for example you want to create your city map, city model, then you can take your city picture from, for example, Google Earth, and then the dimensions of that city image in pixels, for example, that will be 400 and or 4000 and like 6000, then you can assign these values to here, and you can make your train like this. So in our case, we will make our train little bit smaller, 160 in width and 300 in height, because we want to create a small train, so our game will be fast, and the bigger the train is, the slower this your game speed will be. So in our case, we are making game for Android, so we just need this dimension 116 to 400. It's enough for our game. So after that, there is a height, so we will decrease height to 200 of this train. So it's also for speed. I always focus on speed and performance of the game because it matters. So these things are useful, you should follow these things. This resolution, just keep this as it is. Detail resolution is also fine. These things are also fine, so don't play with these things. If you will decrease these things, for example this 512 for example, then your speed of game will be good, but graphics will be not good. The resolution will be faded. So our train is done. We have created our train. Now we will set up our Skybox. So Skybox is a important thing in Unity, and I am doing this thing in the initial stage. So because my workflow will be like this, and your workflow, you can change your workflow whatever you want, and but my workflow will be like this. So we will create some Skybox. Skybox, what is Skybox? Actually, in Unity game, you have 6 sides: front, left, right, bottom, up, and like this, back. So for that 6 sides, we need some images to place that 6 sides, and then that images will make an impact on our train, a natural impact. So for this you will find some built skyboxes, ready skyboxes by searching on Asset Store or on Google. I already have downloaded this Skybox for our project, so I will just drag and drop this Skybox Links folder over here, and now this is imported into our project Skyboxes Links. So if you click on this Skybox Links, then you will find these 5 images. Actually, this package, I already have created this material, so I will first delete this material so you can understand betterly. So you will find package like this. So we have to create Skybox. We can create here, create, then we will create a material, and then we can name this material to Skybox, and then we can change shader from standard to Skybox, and then 6-sided. Here we'll find these sections, and then we can drag and drop our relative images into these sections. For example, back, big image, down, where's down, here, then front is here, and then this one, left, right, then this up, and that's it. Now our Skybox is ready. So this material is ready. Now we will implement this material in our project. For that, we will go to Window, and then we will go to Lighting, and then we will go to Settings, and in Settings you will find here the Skybox material area. So just drag and drop this Skybox into this section, and that's it. Our Skybox is implemented, and we are ready to go with our game. So we'll keep